Hello, I want to welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel. This is another piece I'm working on. I started on a couple of days ago. What I'm doing right here, I'm using the program called Procreate. This is the model I'm using right here on side. And what I'm doing right now, I'm working on the feathers right here. And how you do it, you click on your color wheel, you choose what other colors you have, and voila, there you go. With these types of drawings, you can really get into really good detail, really exceptional detail. For your brush sizes, you can go right here and dial in what size brush you need. I'm using about a number 2 right now to get into small details of the feather. And another thing I would like to show you right here on your subject matter, if you need to blow it up a little bigger, use 2 fingers in and out, But right now I'm working up on this area right here with the colors and all. I'm gonna show you how I did it. And thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Continue to watch. This is how I place in the colors right here. I just dialed it in, tap the screen, and I'm working on this one right here, the feather, using colors. You don't have to press hard with the pencil. Take your time. You can always go back and undo if you need to with this little back lever right here. And all I'm doing is a slight circular motion, not hard, and trying to get those colors in right up in here. If you have any questions, email me. And any projects, let me know. Talk about it. I fell in love with this program. Name of it is Procreate. It's a good program. It's, as far as I know right now, it is a free program. Things may change. I want a little more white. Dial it up, tap, and here we go. See, I'm adding the color up in here. Yeah, it's getting pretty close to where I want it, but continue to try till you get it right. I'm just using this as, I guess, a reference to see what I can do with Procreate. And this is not for no one, it's just for my own purposes of my own training. I wanted to see if I could do it. Go right back here. And you can diffuse it like this here. I usually be right here, 91. Going in. And if you don't want something too distinctive, back off from it. You can blur it out. It's very relaxing. You can't get dirty with this type of stuff here, I'm telling you. And you can also decrease or increase your subject. The good thing about these programs like this here, you don't have to wait for the paint to dry. No waiting time. Now, say I wanted to take that off right here. A simple task. See, I'm trying to get it angled so you can kind of see what I'm doing right here. It's gone. Come back to it. It's almost goof proof. For darker colors, like I just dial that in. With this, you can virtually draw anywhere, virtually anywhere. I enjoy it, and I'm beginning to really like this over some of my other mediums that I have. Can't take away from my oil paintings. I love doing oil paintings. This is quick though, unbelievably quick. So look at my channel under Norman Lecoq, YouTube, and subscribe. Now, if you want to make your brush bigger, all you have to do is use that little wheel right up in here. Find this area right here I'm working on. I'm just doing different areas to show you the different contrasts that you can get using this program here, Procreate. Real vibrant colors. Really vibrant. I'm not pressing hard with the brush at all. Just soft, a soft touch. Well, I'm gonna go for now. Like I've been doing just these short videos, just to let everyone see what's going on and how I'm doing certain things. And again, thank you, and subscribe to my YouTube channel under Norman Lecoq. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.